Hello boss, this is Tiana from Dongguan Haiyuan Water Treatment Company. Today I will introduce one unique 5,000 liters per hour containerized reverse osmosis system. The entire system is installed in a brand new 20-foot container, equipped with 2 lights and rubber floor. Providing a good operation environment for equipment operation. System is consisted by seawater pump, then filter, carbon filter, and water softener. Cartridge filter, high pressure pump, and reverse osmosis membrane housing. This system uses 2-prong membrane. The system is simple control and automatic operation. Okay, if you have any interest, please contact us. Thank you.